feel like I'm about to sneeze. Hi guys! Wow, I sound so nasal. Today is a very busy day, and I have like lots lined up today and tomorrow, so I thought I'd vlog. But first, we are very late for a date. Not my date, for Mars's date. So yeah, we're going on a walking date. So gotta go. I'll be back. Did you get stood up, Mars? Who's come? Who's come? Hey, GF! Guys,
you don't even have to make an effort.
Salt by Flavia is here. You guys remember the secret cake that I magically got is from her. Now we are relatives. We have got a rishta going with our our children and a forced relationship by Flavia and me. So this is what a walking date looks like.
It's better now. At least they're sniffing each other.
Mars has a new GF. Yes. We're back, and I'm wearing my pandemic uniform. Been living in these boxy tees. My vlogs are incomplete without them. So yeah, we've got a busy Saturday. First things first, we're gonna go to a mattress shop because I think my parents need a new mattress, and like my dad's been sleeping here now for the last few weeks because his back's been giving him trouble, and I really wanted to order one online, but then I feel like the measurements are all messed up, and I'm too nervous to get the wrong size, so I thought better to go to an actual shop, pick up the choose a mattress for them and whatever, and get the guy to measure it. So that's the plan, first plan. Gonna meet Weber there. He wants, I think, pillows. And then gonna go to Decathlon to get myself a helmet so I can cycle more. As you saw in the last vlog, if you haven't watched it, we'll link it here obviously. Shameless plug. And then we're going for some stuff in the evening. Yeah, I'm not gonna tell you everything. Let's just go. It's already in the bed. This is what you liked. Try this.
No, yeah, I don't like this because my head sort of tends to bend it. You bend.
You're not supposed to sleep on the mattresses.
What? I've been asked to try them. The first one. This one? Yeah.
Yeah, but this is soft.
It's not soft. It's again hard.
But you're sinking.
I mean, you like it, it's not sinking.
But isn't too hard from going all Mattress has been ordered, pillow has been bought by someone who I think slept on every surface in that store. That's me judging you.
Why?
Just because you were getting a little too comfy.
But they were also comfy, yeah? And full of
goodies. Yeah, and everybody sleeping on those mattresses.
And you gotta buy, you gotta take some risk.
And now we're heading to get a helmet so we can go cycling again.
That was not a joke?
No, it was not a joke.
Oh shit.
I was signing on the city lights. All this doubt around me, then but look, I got it right. Don't you try to.
It's a look or no?
The look is the same.
Neon, or do you think I should go black? Or this?
This is better life, you never tried, I bet it right. This is better life, you never tried, I bet it right. You been stuck just where you at because you never tried. Want a better life, I had a try, I bet it right. Yeah, I just took a test and yeah, let me write.
Come on now. Come on now. Time to go. Come on. Bye-bye.
So we're back home and I haven't eaten lunch, so I ordered a burger for lunch. Gonna just have some lunch and then get ready for the evening.
How can you eat a burger without crisps?
That have been lying there for 1 week.
No, I've saved them for you. And also because I will never eat them.
Okay, what's your day? I'm slipping on it. Yeah, I'm all in, I must admit it. Ooh, moonlight.
Okay, so we are going to Izumi for dinner and yeah, I've been trying to go there for really long and finally we made it. Can you stop looking in the back?
Come on.
You're a different kind of beautiful. Run my hand through your hair in the morning. It's unusual. The way your skin glows on the pillow, I can't get enough of you. Every day's a honeymoon. Let me show you. I'll pull you closer. I just wanna stay in love with you. I don't wanna fall for someone new. 'Cause baby, you're my sunshine, my treasure. Just keeps getting better. Baby, you're so irresistible.
Okay, that was an amazing meal. Was that the best Japanese food you've eaten, Vaibhav?
Hands down, yes, for sure.
And now where are we going?
I don't know, where are we going?
We're going for the screening of Vaibhav's latest venture,
My latest
which
venture.
is
Please don't make it sound bigger than it is. It's a short film that I did in January this year. And today we have a screening for the cast and the crew. And that's where we're going.
So I've done this little game with him ever since I adopted him. I got him when he was 7.5.
okay, folks. We are back home. It is very late. It is about 12:30, and unfortunately, I couldn't show you guys any bits from the screening because it's still under wraps and nobody's supposed to know anything about it yet. But yeah, Vaibhav did a great job as usual. It's always amazing to see him act. Because it's something he's been doing for so many years, and also because he's really good at it. And yeah, I can't wait for you guys to actually see the short film when it comes out, wherever it is, and I can actually share it. But yeah, we had a wonderful evening, and now it's time for bed, and I sound incredibly nasal because again I just sneezed. But yeah, gonna go to bed. Just took a shower. He's taking his shower, and then we're gonna crash, and tomorrow's gonna be a fun Sunday. Good night. Quiet Sunday morning. Almost noon actually. We slept so late yesterday at like 2 a.m. after I don't know how long. I mean, like going out and sleeping late. Of course, I sleep late watching K-drama every night at 1:30. But Vaibhav sleeps at like 10 normally, so this was like a major late night sitch for us. And so we slept in, woke up, just having a chai, and we have a lunch plan today at the St. Regis at their Middle Eastern cuisine restaurant called Set Mara, and I think it opened last year during the pandemic or this year. They invited us then, but I wasn't really stepping out much then. So now that I am, decided to go for lunch, and yeah, just a chill Sunday. Probably have lunch and then go back home, and yeah, just chill. The races in the evening again, so very excited about that. But yeah, it's a chill Sunday. and someone's like not chilling at all with all the construction workers. You can hear there's like tat tat tuk 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 tick 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 tick, killing the Sunday silence that we have in this house, which is very quiet, unlike the other house. But it is what it is.
I'm not really sure what happened just now. It's all a blur from when you walked in, walked out. I'm used to being on the ready, but you got me unsteady. Driving home, going in circles with questions. Something about you's got me pulled new directions. I'm not used to second guessing, but you got me unsteady. And now I can't stop thinking about you. Trying to sleep, but no pillow will do. I'm running my mind over time. I stay wide as the moon. Girl, you know I can't stop thinking about you. Am I insane or you feeling it too? Wonder if I'm flying blind. Your vibes got me high as the moon.
That was such a good meal. Above. Waiting for your inputs. Not those kind of inputs. But yeah, really good food and
I'm giving you inputs, yeah. What is your problem?
That's all you need to know.
I'm thinking about how on earth I'm gonna see you again. Wondering if that dude was more than a friend. I know I got a reputation, but right now I feel like I'm taken. Oh, I can't stop thinking about you. Trying to sleep, no pillow will do. I'm running my mind over time. I stay wide as the moon. Girl, you know I can't stop thinking about you. Am I insane or you feeling?
Let's go. Hi, my bunny. Hi. Okay, come. Let me open the door. Hi. Who's a good boy? You? Come on. Did your grandparents give you kachra and spoil you? Yeah. Good boy. My good babu. Folks, we are back home to home. My pooch is following me around. It is almost 7 o'clock. I was just vegetating and lying in bed, doing nothing for the last 1 hour, just playing with my hubby. And gonna quickly take a shower and then watch the race with my dad. So I'm not gonna be filming any reactions today because I don't think he wants to be filmed. I think he got plenty in the last race, but I just heard that Max got a 5-place penalty on the grid, so very happy about that. And Lewis is on pole, so yay. In other news, the parcels are piling up. I don't know how many now. Should I do a separate unboxing video? Let me know in the comments if you guys want to see an unboxing video. There's one more here. If you want to see an unboxing video of all this stuff, let me know in the comments and maybe I will do one for you. So yeah, just gonna quickly watch the race. No, actually first take a shower, watch the race, eat some dinner, call it a day. Call it a weekend. Actually, it's been quite the weekend. It's been pretty amazing to go to 2 great restaurants. I really missed like going to restaurants during the pandemic. I've barely been like to that many, like not new ones and stuff like that. And for me, food is like a huge part. Like getting a meal outside was like something I loved, I still love. So I really enjoy this again right now. I'm hoping things stay this way so I can at least have a lot of yummy meals. That's been my weekend so far. How's your weekend been, guys? Quickly gonna have a shower and sit down for the race.
To move to the inside, Gasly straight ahead of Alonso. Behind pressure and coming to turn one, but it's Hamilton from Gasly and Alonso. Then comes Lando Norris, Max Verstappen on the inside. Of the Gasly, Norris fifth in the Drivers' Championship. Hurricanes fans comes home to win the Qatar Grand Prix. Hamilton on top in Qatar.
Now, my first guest is MUMBAI CEO and Corey Ellison. Why a streaming service? Because I believe in what...
on the season finale of the morning show. I mean, this season was good. I'm not gonna tell you much because you guys know I review shows in my favorites. But yeah, I'm gonna call it a night. I've got my two Laneige face mask and lip mask. If you didn't watch my night routine, you can watch it here. That's where I show you how I do this. But I just want to show you guys my lips. So I did not use the face mask for, I mean the lip mask for 2 nights because I wasn't here. And you can already see how dry it is, right? Like, see how dry it is. Not 2 nights, actually 1 night. Just in 1 night, this is how dry my lips have become. Whereas when I use the lip mask every night, they're like super hydrated and lovely. So definitely a great product if you have like wintry dry lips, even though the Bombay winter is not really a winter, but still. That's all the weekend fun I have in store for you guys. Just gonna get into, I'm in bed. What am I saying? Get into bed. I'm already in bed. I'm just gonna watch my show, put on my mask, and then eventually go to bed and start Monday tomorrow. I don't know why we all hate Mondays, but it's just a thing, right? Like, as in, like, Sunday is just such a fun day. On that happy note, I will leave you guys. This is the end of the vlog. If you enjoyed the vlog, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't enjoy the vlog, give it a thumbs up. If you want to comment below, comment below. If you don't want to comment below, comment below because I'm saying so. And I will see you guys soon. Bye.